Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to update Going Balls application on your iPhone. If you want to get the latest release for your Going Balls application, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you're in this page, go to the search box and type in Going Balls. Look for the Going Balls application, and once you find it, open it up. If you see the update button popping up instead of open in this page, it means that there is a latest release for your game that needs to be downloaded. Tap on the update button and wait until the application downloads the latest version. Once it completes, tap the open button and enjoy the latest release for your Going Balls game on your preferred mobile device. That is how you can easily download the latest updates for Going Balls. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.